Hello friends, have you ever thought what is difference between goals and wish? Many people have problems achieving their goals because they fully don't understand the difference between a goal and a wish. Wish, according to dictionary, is defined as a desire. On the other hand, goals can be defined as the achievement or result towards which effort is coordinated. So, a goal is something that you and you alone can accomplish. It doesn't matter what anyone else does, thinks, says, or feels, but only your thoughts and feelings and actions can complete that. A goal is something which is manageable and also attainable. And what is a wish? A wish is something you desire to have, but you may not have the power to influence yourself, at least not directly. I think the difference between success and failures in achieving is the difference between goals and wishes. A wish is something which we can hope for, and a goal is something which we can plan for. So we should always keep this difference between goals and wishes. So what are the main difference between goals and wishes? Goals are something which we can follow up, where wishes are something we are only thinking about. Goals require action and it require some planning also. Then goals have deadlines. Wishes are simply only wishes. Goals have time limits, and dreams or wishes can last forever. Many individuals maintain aspirations for complete life, but they cannot accomplish anyone. Number three is wishes are free, but goals have a cost in it. It does not cost for wish something, but goals come with a price. Money, you have to put effort, you have to put time, you have to take action, and you have to sweat. So these all things you have to pay to achieve your goals. Goals produce results, while wishes don't produce any results. Wishes are imaginary, where goals are based on reality, and it is what you can achieve. So if your object is big, you have to time your goals. Goals have a finish line, and dreams or wish never need to end. You can wish anything for life dream, and dream can last forever, and there is no ending point to dream or wish. But goals must have a particular results. Wishes can inspire you, goals can change your life, wishes can motivate you, it can inspire you, but goals can change your life forever. Goal must have a focus, and wishes don't need any focus. So dreams can be floating ever changing, drifting thoughts, while goals must be lesser focused. They should be specific and should always be in your mind. Goals require delight work. Wishes just need your imagination. That's all. Wishing is simple. Goals are hard. And it requires diligence to develop imagination also. And goals develop yourself. But goal making doesn't need to be overpowering or require a tremendous effort. Start small and straightforward. We don't need to begin with a big one. We can begin with only one goal, and this one will change our life forever. So write the goal down, what we can do and willing to do, and ensure that goal is a reality. So get the goals for every day, and it will make easier to change habits when we remind why goals are critical. Then stick to action plan and do something consistently so we can fulfill our goal. It requires caution, action, steps, planning, and preservations. So, these all what I have said, we should keep in mind, and then you can find your goals of life. Thank you.